Umwaka gw'2022 mu kwezi kwa kabiri Government ya Uganda, ya Tanzania hamwe na kampuni ziri kutimba amajuta ya Total Energies hamwe n'eya China National Offshore Oil Company Limited bakatomuko handagano yo kushuka sente omirimo yo kutandika byo kutimba amajuta ga Uganda mu birombe bya Kingfisher mu district ya Chikube hamwe na Tirenga mu district ya Burisa na Nwoya. Endaganeji erikwetwa Final Investment Decision FID erikubarwa miliyoni 20 za dore karugereraho kampani kutandika gukora emirimo erimo no kuombeka omudumo gwokurabwamu amajuta gatajejine ogwa kilometero 183 okurugaho imakuza hamwaro gwatanga muri Tanzania ogurikwetwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline nekigenderwa cyo kutandika kuguza amajuta hakatare kensi yona omwaka gw'2025. Obwire ko bwizirene bwera hihi no mwaka gw'2025 government na za company zitandikire kugamba empushukane obwe bari kugira ngo amajuta bagarinde 2027 abandi 2026 n'abandi 2025.
Projects tulabantino there is significant progress that has been made kubanga the different milestones projects bazikola mu different phases. So tulabantino the different phases are reaching the intended milestones okulabantino amafuta tugalaba in the next year also.
Bili abiri mutane n'emyezi 12 obuli era mubere nga mulinze erimwe emyezi 12 katulinde at least omulimo ogulaba wasembo ogulaba gwali bwe guti omulimo gutambudde bulungi. Bili abiri mutano tujiyingira ine emyezi 12 omulimo ogulaba gutambudde bulungi kakati katugulinde gutambulire ddala paka bwe twasimiza tuka.
Waliwo kuteekako facilities jetuyita central processing facility, waliwo pipelines, feeder pipelines ne flow lines okulaba ntino amafuta bwegava mwezo project babireeta amafuta gali transported wano okutuuka wano e Kabale where the East African Crude Oil Pipeline project will start.
Amena Bukenya omukozi wa China National Offshore Oil Corporation erukoro mu kirombe cya Kingfisher yashoborera ngo bafumwire byena mwenda kandi hato bari hakombekaho barukuza kugajejenurira okubasa kwihamwa mizi oruwoya ninga shigasi otireho no kutebekana so mudumo guragatware umwirundaniro lyago no muri Kabale.
Wano wetuli central processing facility yesogolero eryawule bichafu kuba mafuta wegaba gavudde wansi mu Lake Albert mujiramu gasi mujiramu amazzi n'amafuta genyini kati twawula ebye bichafu ne tuba tufuna amafuta olumala okufuna amafuta ne gayita kimayita feeder line kwegambe banga pipeline kati pipeline eyo wegatambula ne galyo kagagende Kabale Industrial Park
konkanko korukumanyangu project eji ne kwatana na projects ezindi yabayata ebita ba Total Tirenga na orpiro ruhango rutwara amashita orwa EACOP so tutekwa kutegereza kugira ngo ebyona bibanze bihwe tubone kugira ngo amashita gakika katare kensi yona
ojucengwa amashita ga Uganda okuza katare kensi yona gine kurabo mu mudumo gwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline bita baruko gukoraho no bagirango no babasa kuguheza umwaka gw'2026.
Right now the pipe is being welded and stringed along the right of way, and in a few months to come there will be ditching will be done and the pipe will be laid.
Omudumo gwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline gutwire gurahaba rukugujumerera habe kwatirine no kushisha obuhangwa bwensi hamwe no kurubaterera obugabe bw'abantu mbyo kubashumbusha nangwa ne sente zo kugombeka zibire zicubuzire bitaba Petroleum Authority of Uganda nabagira ngo sente obwahati zibonekere.
Twara negotiations zonezo tuzihereze tutegereze tukatunga funda and now EACOP is going to be financed. As you see EACOP yene general mission noza kushanga barienwa welding bakora NDTs what eshitukweta non-destructive tests. Stella Amonyi omugambirizi wa East African Crude Oil Pipeline nagira ngo bashashwira abantu 95 abantu 13 abo mudumo gurukuza kora bo mwitaka ryabo mu district 10 kandi ebicweka 98 harigana
batire emikono handagano.
95 of those have been fully paid in Uganda. 98% of those have signed their compensation agreements.
Umwaka gw'2026 Uganda nibwo yarangije kutimba billion 6 n'icweka z'eduramu z'amajuta ukorwa kuzumukanda umuryezo eduramu billion 1 na million 800 nazo barukuza kuguza. Gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose Katoto.